Now corresponding is the stator of three-phase six-pole slip ring induction motor is connected to 50 Hz source. First of all, make the stator winding, three-phase supply on stator. If three-phase supply on stator, voltage V1 and frequency F1, that is 50 Hz. Okay, that is a simplicity. Represent a winding like this one. Okay, now if three-phase supply on three-phase balance winding, then stator field with respect to stator winding, field is generated with respect to winding. So you can say that speed of (120) 50 Hz by 6, that is 1000 rpm. Clear? It means stator field with respect to stator winding N1, that is NS1, that is 1000 rpm. Clear? That is 1000 rpm. Now another way, second one, rotor represent like this one. According to question, but its rotor is energized from 20 Hz source, the rotor would run at a speed of, our motto, three-phase supply given on rotor also. So suppose that voltage V2 and corresponding frequency 20 Hz. Speed of rotor field with respect to rotor winding, that is NS2, 120 F2 by P. 120 F2 is 20 Hz divided by 6, that is 400 rpm. That is 400 rpm. Our motto, focus on rotor speed. Clear? What is our motto? There are two possibilities. This is A. That is NS2 is written as NS2, that is 400 rpm. Clear? There are two possibilities. Suppose that if supply on stator phase sequence corresponding to stator ABC and here also ABC, okay, mean if corresponding to supply on ABC on stator and rotor also ABC, or you can say the positive sequence on stator side on positive sequence corresponding to supply rotor side, then both field are rotating in same direction, both field moving on same direction. If both are positive or both are negative, both are positive or both are negative. If both are negative, then direction of stator field like this one, rotor field also like this one. If that is ACB and that is ACB, or you can say that both are supply corresponding to negative sequence. Clear? So two case possible. First one, if both field are same direction, and second one, if both field are opposite direction. Opposite direction means supply corresponding to stator ABC and this one ACB, or vice versa, this one ACB and that is this one ABC, that is ACB, means stator is supply corresponding positive, then rotor is negative sequence, supply corresponding to negative sequence, three-phase balance supply negative sequence. Okay, so there are two possibility. If this supply is ABC and this is ACB, then rotor field is with respect to rotor winding rotating in the opposite direction of stator field. Clear? That's why two possibility. So first one we have considered case first. Case first, if both field in same direction, rotating same direction, So rotor speed of, you can say that speed of rotor winding with respect to stator winding, suppose that is NR1. Now make the linear diagram. This one is stator winding, that is A. See, you sit on stator winding and C stator field. N1, that is NS1, that is 1500 RPM, clear? And rotor winding like this one, that is A. Rotor speed S2, that is S2 pole rotating with speed NS2, that is 400 RPM, clear? 400 RPM, clear? What about rotor speed with respect to stator winding, clear? Our motto, focus on NR. What is the direction of NR and what is the value of NR? Okay, clear? I have already discussed in previous lecture in 3-phase double excited induction motor. Speed of stator field with respect to stator winding and speed of rotor field with respect to rotor winding means our motto, we are focused on S2 rotate with speed 1000 RPM. If both are rotated same speed with respect to stator structure, it means they are synchronism, mean they are stationary state with respect to each other. Then electromagnetic torque always continuous apply, electromagnetic torque develop, clear? So our motto, if you sit on this one and see S2, this is speed like 1000 RPM. If it is possible, if rotor rotate in the direction of stator field, which speed NS1 plus NS1 minus NS2 means that is 1000 minus 400. If they are moving like 600 RPM speed, if rotor rotating in the stator field with speed 600 RPM, then S2 catch up the stator field with respect to stator winding. Okay, S2 means rotor field speed with respect to rotor winding, clear? If any doubt, you can also consider. Suppose that corresponding to the, first of all, suppose that a helicopter N1 like this one is a helicopter, and which speed are moving like this one. A boy sitting on the platform, and see helicopter. Okay, another boy, suppose that a train like this one, a boy rotating moving on this direction with speed NS2 400 RPM, clear? Our motto, see this one and see this one. Okay, if this is the train like NR, that is rotor direction, first of all direction of train. If train are moving this direction, never catch up the speed, S2 never catch up the speed of stator field. Okay, now if rotor rotate in the direction of like this one, if rotor rotate means train are rotating with speed, if rotating that is 600 is RPM speed, then if this one rotating 600 and this one rotating 400, then this one C look like S2, like S2C, the speed of S2 you sit on the stator winding and see the stator field with respect to stator winding. If rotor rotate corresponding to 600 rpm, then speed of rotor field with respect to stator winding, that is 1000 rpm. Clear? 1000 rpm. Clear? That's why you can say that NS1 minus NS2 written as like this one, that is 1000 minus 600, finally that is 400 rpm. Sorry, that is 400, sorry, that is 400, it means that is 600 rpm. Clear? Only possible if NR, it means rotor winding with respect to rotor winding rotate with respect to rotor structure, which is speed if rotate 600 rpm with okay, in the direction of stator field, then stator, if you sit on the stator, then both stator field and rotor field with respect to stationary stage, okay, with respect to stationary state, if you see on the stator winding, clear? Now another case, first of all make it means direction NR is 600 rpm. Clear? Now another way, case second, if both field in opposite direction, okay, what about NR? Then what about NR? B is the correct option. Another now corresponding to this one, not B, second. Now once again make linear diagram like this one, sit on stator, okay, speed of stator field with respect to stator structure, that is N1 look like which is speed 1000 rpm, and this one C like this one, that is S2, opposite direction, means that is rotor, S2 that is NS2 which is speed 400 rpm. Once again you see stator field, rotor field with respect, once again we have focus on, first of all we have focus on NR moving this direction or this direction, okay. Once again that is helicopter, which is speed 1000 rpm, a train, a boy running in opposite direction, which is speed 400 rpm. Clear? Our motto, we have sit on the platform and see this boy, if train moving on this direction, never this boy catch up the NS1 speed, okay. So it is clear train rotate in the direction of stator field. First of all, it is clear. Rotor rotate in the direction of stator field. If rotor winding are rotate corresponding to this speed plus this speed, it means if this one, that is ns1 plus ns2, means 1400 rpm in the direction of stator field, then catch up this speed. Okay, if rotor rotate corresponding to 1400 rpm in the direction of stator field, then this man C, the S2C then if you sit on a stator winding and see S2, if rotor rotate corresponding to this one, then S2 is like 1000 rpm. Clear? Okay, if S2 is also 1000 with respect to stator winding and N1 also 1000 rpm with respect to stator winding, then both are stationary state with respect to stator winding. Clear? Clear? So you can say that NR2 is NS1 plus NS2, that is 1400 rpm. Clear? So 2 and 3 is correct option. A is the correct option. 2 and 3 both possibility are generated here. I have already discussed this concept in double excitation induction motor. Okay, if any doubt, see previous lecture. It is clear? There are two possibility because of in question not given supply on rotor side or stator side are both are positive sequence or negative sequence. That's why there are two possibility. First one, if both field are in same direction, or if both field in opposite direction. Okay, then what about rotor speed, like this one, and rotor corresponding to NR, which is speed 1400 rpm. Clear? Make it.